second graders. Today we are gonna play a game that is called Race to 100. It's to work on a very important concept that is called the place value. Place value is all about ones, tens, and hundred in second grade. So it's the thing we are gonna work. The materials you are going to need is 2 pieces of paper. If you are playing with someone, which makes the game much funnier, but you can also play by yourself. A marker, 2 dice, and your blocks. You can use the ones you have in your math welcome pack, the printouts. The first thing that you need to do is to print 2 copies of your board, or to draw it by yourself, as I'm gonna do. You need to draw a box. It's a table. And we are gonna divide it into 3 columns. First column is going to be for the ones. Second column is going to be for tens. And the third one, maybe you already guessed it, is going to be for our 100. The goal of the game is to arrive to 100. So the first one that arrives to 100 will win. I'm gonna draw the second board really fast. It doesn't matter, it doesn't need to be perfect. Ones, tens, and 100. Hundreds. Okay, so how it works? You grab your blocks and imagine this is me and this is my partner. I'm gonna start rolling the dice. 6 and 6. The first thing that I need to do is to think about how much is 6 plus 6. It's a double, so you should memorize it and be ready to answer. 6 plus 6 is 12, super fast. But if you don't know, and you don't have 12 fingers, so you need to find another ways. You can use your ones to add 6 and another 6, put them together, and you will see that they make 12. If they make 12, I don't need to grab 12 of these, like it will be super messy to count just with ones. But I can use the tens, that makes things easier. It's the same, but instead of grabbing 10 ones, I'm gonna grab 1 10 and 2 ones. So this is kind of my board, and it says that I have 12 points by the moment. Remember, the first one that arrives to 100 wins. Now it's my partner's turn. 5 and 3. Same, you can count the dots here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please don't count all. And just put, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep watching. My turn again. 4 and 6, I love this. 6 plus 4 is a 10 friend. So 6 as flow and 4 makes 10. Another 10. And the same, I can grab 10 ones, the yellow ones, but but it's gonna take so long. Instead, I can grab just directly 1 10, and now I have 12 plus 10, 22. Okay? Roll the dice. Partner, invisible partner. 2 and 1. Look very carefully. 2 and 1 makes 3. 3 more. I had 8. I need to put 3 more. But here I have something wrong. I cannot just put so many ones inside. I need to start organizing my number, because if not, it's too messy. So I know that 8 plus 3, more that I roll it now, makes 11. So I'm gonna grab this 10 and switch it for one of these to make my counting easier, because this is visual. I know that is 10 plus 1, 11. 20 plus 2, 22. So 22, 11. I'm winning. Roll the dice again. 5 and 2 makes 7 more. 7 plus 2 makes 9, so I don't need to switch anything yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My partners. 2 and 6. I'm starting on the number 6 because it's greater and adding 2 more. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So no switching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My turn. 6 more. 9 or 29 plus 6. I'm going to do some switching. I know that if I put one more, because I had 9 plus 1, is gonna be a 10. So ready to switch. And then I need to put 5 more. You can use so many tricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My partners. 19 versus 35. I'm winning so far. 7 more. 5 plus 2 makes 7. 7 plus 9. Oops. 7 plus 9 makes... Well, you can do it. You can do it mentally. It would be easier. Do you know how I do it mentally? I know that I have 9 and 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Look, I never do it with the blocks, but it's something that I do on my mind, What I do is to form a 10. If I have 9, how many more I need to form a 10 to make a 10? 1 more. So now I have 10 and 7 minus the 1 I put over here is 6. So 16. 9 plus 7 makes 16. And my turn. Last one, venga. 6. Oh, I have 5 ones and I need to add 6 more. Do you know how I do it? I have 5. I know that I need 5 more to make a 10. 5 more. So 5 plus 5 makes 10. And now I need to add 1 more. 41. Are you getting it more or less? You need to do this game at least 3 times per day. This is a basic of second grade and kids love it. First time can seem tricky, you can end with so many ones in here, and the teacher or your parents or your older siblings need to remind you. You need to switch your 1 for 10s, because if not, it's so hard to count. And one time it's going to happen the same with your 10s. You are going to arrive to a super greater number as, for example, imagine that times goes, I roll the dice, we roll the dice so many times, and we arrive to one number similar to, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 92. It's my last time to win because my partner has also so many blocks here. 92. If you are playing with your parents, it would be a great idea that your mom or your dad or your sibling ask you how many more you need to arrive to 100, how many more you need to win. If I have 92, you can use your 100 chart to see, but you can also do it in your mind. If I have 92, I need 8 more. So let's see if I'm lucky and I have 8 or more than 8 this time. Yes! 4 plus 4 is a double, so I did it pretty fast. It makes 8, so perfect. I know that 8 more than 2 makes a 10. And ta-da! Here I have my 100, but my final goal is this piece. 100, like a 100. These are the same, but I need to switch them. 10 tens makes 100. So, ta-da! I'm the winner! So guys, thanks for watching. Have fun and please practice your math centers, the one of the week and the previous one, as much as you can. The more you practice, and these are pretty fun, and they are a great way to learn, the more you practice, the more you will learn. The more you practice, the more mental fluency you will have. Mwah! Thanks for watching.